My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Ford Fiesta ST line. This vehicle has done just over 42,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. This Fiesta has a 1 litre turbo engine and comes with an EcoBoost. On the steering wheel we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have a keyless ignition. We have navigation as a feature, as well as Apple CarPlay, valet mode and Bluetooth. This Fiesta comes with heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.